Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this class, and your artwork is now complete. However, there's one final step to make it even more awesome: adding texture to the entire image. First, create a rectangle that covers the full length of the artboard and fill it with a darker color. I'll be using a grayscale color pattern to give it a subtle gray tone. Next, go to Effect, Texture, Grain. Increase the intensity and contrast to your liking. Then, in the Opacity panel, set the layer mode to Soft Light. You may want to lower the opacity to soften the effect. Whenever you're unsure, it's a good idea to save different versions with varying intensities. Compare the saved images across different devices or online platforms to see which version works best. I'm going to export this image as a JPEG using Artboard 1 and name it version 1. Make sure to save it with the highest quality settings. Now, I'll increase the opacity for the next version and save it as version 2. Lastly, I'll reduce the opacity for the final version and save it as version 3. Once you've compared all three images, I think you'll agree that the medium grain version looks the best. Remember, adding grain is a stylistic choice, and while it enhances the digital version, it may not always be suitable for print, as it could cause issues during the printing process. That's all for this class. You did an amazing job making it to the end. I hope to see you in future classes. This